Seems like we're getting good.
How is it?
Not less sugar.
I have minimal sugar.
You don't look like a less sugar.
I'm a minimal sugar. No.
I too have seen that.
was hers was mine. And I'm sorry, I swear I thought that my heart was ready, but I can't. I'm still in love with my ex and it's just my luck. Wish I didn't care so much, cause me and her don't make sense and it bugs me up. I'm still in love but love sucks. Love sucks. Love sucks. Let me lay you in inside my bed, cause I don't really have the heart to say. Take a look in there, tell me if it's anything you want. Trust in the morning up on the counter. Like, oh my god, had a thought when I was faded. Why they call it love when you hate it? I'm still in love with my ex and it's just my luck. Wish I didn't care so much, cause me and her don't make sense and it bugs me up. I'm still in love but love sucks. Love sucks. I'm sorry, I swear I thought that my heart was ready, but I can't keep her off my mind. And I'm sorry, you want me, I want her, she don't want me, but I can't keep her off my mind. Love sucks. If we had met in high school, I don't know what we'd do. You'd be trying to take state, I'll be breaking the rules. You probably hate my guts, if we even talked at all. Drop out. Look at how we've grown up now. It's hard to think of how much we've changed. Things about us, crazy how we ended up here. I'm so glad we didn't meet back when you and me were someone else. Sounds so sad, but we never would've worked no matter how the pieces fell. The version of us that we used to be would've burned our bridges down. Oh, I'm so glad we didn't meet. I'm so glad we didn't meet. Pictures online, they don't look like me now. When I think of those times, I know I hit proud. Some things I said and done keep me up at night like ambient. And who I've become now, hate to us, I'm a stupid decision. The prodigal son, yeah, if you saw me then, would you still fall in love? Nah, no, no. I'm so glad we didn't meet back when you and me were someone else. Sounds so sad, but we never would've worked no matter how the pieces fell. The version of us that we used to be would've burned our bridges down. Oh, I'm so glad we didn't meet. I'm so glad we didn't meet until right now. Until right now. Oh, it's hard to think of how much we've changed. Things about us, crazy how we ended up here. I'm so glad we didn't meet back when you and me were someone else. Sounds so sad, but we never would've worked no matter how the pieces fell. The version of us that we used to be would've burned our bridges down. Oh, I'm so glad we didn't meet. I'm so glad we didn't meet until right now. but she's over fur coat. And the driver flipped me up like that was my fault. Today may not be my day, but alright. Today may not be my day, but alright. Alright, every day, same old thing, yeah, go ahead. Roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. Take a stand, cause got a feeling I'ma get it right this time. Then here goes another shot, and as usual, right here, all I got. Almost there, but I would've touched me, yeah, but like we're
Why? You have to.
I don't want to be deported. I'm not white.
my fingers crossed to find a perfect rhyme line. Today may not be the day, it's alright. Oh, every day, same old thing, yeah, go ahead. Roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. Take a stand, cause got a feeling. All I got, almost there, but I would've touched me, yeah, but like we're like friends forever. Then here goes another shot, and as usual, I give all I got. Almost there, but I would've touched me, yeah, but like we're like friends forever.
And go back a year to see what.
It's true. I know I'd be lost.
We used to have each other's playlist.